Step 1. Wet the surface of a heat-resistant area. Pre-cut the spear grip to desired length and heat. Step 2. Wet hands and carefully pick up the grip and apply. Step 3. Press spear grip onto the stock, ensuring complete contact of grip to the stock. Step 4. Now heat the outside of the grip. Step 5. Push and manipulate the material, thinning the edges enough as not to allow for snagging and to ensure proper adhesion. Step 6. Reheat the grip and with a damp hand, mold your impression into the stock. Step 7. Heat grip and wrap the damp texture cloth around the grip. Wet hand and press cloth firmly into product, creating a textured grip. Step 8. Allow approximately 30 seconds for material to cool before removing texture cloth. Step 9. After material has cooled, trim and do final touch-up using steps 3, 4, and 5 if desired. Thank you for choosing Rat Kit.